So, and when I say that in the most kindest way. I guess from a topical point of view, in terms of evolution, because I've just spent a week with some pretty crazy people in the world of AI and technology. If you think of every aspect of human interaction, our interaction with not just with people, but things like our cars, our homes, with education, functional things that we, our health, all those sorts of things. So right now, every industry is being disrupted. Every industry being disrupted. 2025 for AI in the electronics or the consumer electronics world and in the tech world was it was a kind of a basic adaptation, but in 1 year the curve jump has been very significant. So I'm just going to give you a tiny little bit of insight into the future. So not so long ago we had this concept, and the first service dogs in the world were seeing eye dogs. They were service dogs, right? People who were visually impaired, they would have a dog that would walk them around, stop at lights, protect them, that sort of stuff. Then we evolved into the personal service dog, right? So we have these highly trained dogs that are designed to protect you, to guide you, to nurture you, to be with you. Now we have service robots, right? Now service robots look really cute. They're making them look very cute because the adaptation of us to integrate with humanoid technology, they've got to kind of ease this idea in. And where they're starting, this is the starting point. The starting point is with children. Education. They are teaching service robots early childhood brain development education to help your child with a little furball robot, right? To keep it company, to nurture it, to answer questions. And all this data globally is being collected. So imagine hundreds of thousands and millions of children playing with little robots, and all that data, all that information is being collected to improve education, to improve understanding, communication, even social engagement, which is really interesting when you're dealing with a service robot. But so service robots for children, very, very big, right? So the next service robot is your own personal desktop AI.